Tim Prugar, Head of Product and Engineering at fileAI here. In this video, I want to show off a little bit what my MCP tech stack is and how I go about configuring the fileAI MCP server and getting prepared to build some agentic workflows. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to mcp.file.ai where all of the documentation is hosted. I can see the code snippet for how to configure within my IDE of choice. You can use Claude Desktop. I prefer to use Cursor personally. So all that information is there, and I need to make sure that I have an API key. So I need to create an account at file.ai and get the API key from the UI for placing into my configuration. So within Cursor, what I like to do is configure a pretty basic stack of, first and foremost, using fileAI, obviously, for any unstructured documents I have, getting structured outputs in the form of the AI OCR or schema field extraction, or whatever I want to do. I like to use Tavily as my internet search functionality. I configured just a very basic email server so that I can send out email reports or forward email information to myself. I like to write to Notion. I find that whether it's working with customers to simulate their internal wiki or system of record, but also to have a record of the flows and outputs that I execute via MCP. And 11 Labs is another one that I like for anything audio processing or voice to text creation or text to voice, having that as well. So that's just a general idea of some of the things that I configure. Obviously, Slack, there are a host of other servers and processes and things that you can use based on your particular workflow or particular interest. But the main thing is the fileAI access and the 14 tools and growing by the day that fileAI gives users access to. That's the very core of my MCP stack.